Well, I'm here at the Minnetonka audio stand here at NAB 2016. I've got Larry Deeds with me. Hi, Larry. Very good, Larry. Now, tell us a little bit about what you guys are talking about this year at NAB.
Certainly. Well, first of all, let me say that I'm the Director of Enterprise Sales for the Americas, came on board in January. And so what my job is to promote our enterprise product line, which is Audio Tools Server, which is a quality-first, automated, file-based workflow platform. Why would you need automation? Well, for a lot of reasons. There's so many deliverables now. We can see it so many different places at the show where it's not just over-the-air broadcast. It's tablet and mobile and OTT and VOD and all kinds of other sorts of delivery. And so what we do is we automate that process so that it also fits into a larger plant-wide workflow. And in many ways that makes a lot of sense to take the repetitive tasks out of the hand of individual editors and put that onto an enterprise platform so that that labor can generate higher revenue doing much more interesting jobs. And so with our platform, there's a couple of ways of actually accessing it. One is through a hot folder system. One is through a new application that I'll mention a little bit later called Audio Tools Operator. And that allows access to our loudness measurement and correction for all international standards. Dynamics reduction, which has become a very keen concern, trying to take very dynamic material, typically for feature film, and reducing the dynamic range for both over the air and for all the OTT applications where you're dealing with very small speakers that cannot take a wide dynamic range. And then we also offer all the different codecs, Dolby E, Dolby Digital Plus, AAC, HEAAC, et cetera, et cetera. And we do upmix, downmix, a lot of QA products for program correlation, silence detection, channel remapping, those sorts of things. We also do pitch shifting, watermark verification, and the like. What we're showing this year at NAB 2016 is the version 4 of our Audio Tools Server, which this is our Queue Manager application in the background here. And what we've added is a license server. Now that's designed for our larger installations. If you have 4 or 5 Audio Tools Server nodes, do you need to license the exact same products on all 4 or 5 of those if maybe not all 5 are being used at the same time? So license server owns the licenses and then doles those out to the various server systems as needed. We're also incorporating the new Apto process from our sister company, Linear Acoustic, which was initially designed as a method of reducing dynamics in a real-time circumstance. And what we found is that that works extremely well in a file-based workflow. So we've incorporated that into Audio Tools Server, and there's many more enhancements, one of which is a new application for the operator. So this is another way of accessing our enterprise products, so they can simply select a file, tell it where it's going to go, select a set of parameters, which is new to our version 2, the ability to actually select the parameters, and then determine what priority in the queue it goes in and go, and then it goes back into our queue and processes there. So it's a cross-platform, free interface for our Audio Tools Server. The other largest announcement would be Audio Tools Cloud, and that is the first on-demand professional audio platform available on the cloud. We will be launching next week after NAB on Amazon Web Services, and we'll be offering some of our basic modules at first: loudness measurement and correction, upmix, downmix, channel management, sample rate conversion, and then over time we're going to broaden that out to our complete platform, including the various codecs later on this year. Initially that will be a simple on-demand application, and in a way it levels the playing field for all the facilities that are out there doing post-production, because now they have access to our tool set when needed, as needed. They pay for only what they need at the time. And eventually we're going to expand that out to the point at which your physical Audio Tools server location can have a cloud node, so it'll load balance and send additional workflow off to the cloud. And those are what we're showing now.
Larry, that's a lot there. If people were unable to come and see you here at NAB and they want to find out more about your company, everything else that you guys can provide, what's the website they can go to?
www.minnetonkaaudio.com.
Larry, thank you very much. Go and have a look at the website. As always, the link is on the screen now. Find out everything you need to know about Minnetonka Audio. And of course, check out what else we've been doing here at NAB 2016 on our website. That's KITPLUS.com.